Hello there, I'm gonna show you how to build a BPMN diagram with Signavio. You create a new diagram, you drag a pool from the palette. The pool represents the process. It's gonna be Geodesign workshop, Geodesign study. Okay, and then I will add a lane for any actors participating in the process. The first one will be the coordination team in charge for the preparation of the workshop, and the second one are the participants to the workshop. So then the process starts with the start event, just a notation, and then we start with the first activity. The first activity will be in charge, the coordination team will be in charge to prepare the evaluation maps. Then the coordination team will input the evaluation maps and all the other data into Geodesign Hub. And then the coordination team will start the workshop. I'm modeling in a very simple way just to show how to create the diagrams here. So now the workshop starts, and the participant as a main first task is to create the diagrams . Once the diagrams are created, they will be, I'm rearranging here a little bit the diagram, okay. Then I insert the next step. After the diagram are created, the participant will be divided in teams and they will create the first synthesis. Then they will revise the synthesis. And then they will negotiate with the other groups to build consensus on a final synthesis, and then the workshop will be finished. Again, here is a very simplified version of the workflow, but still just to show how to create the diagram. Here it is. And then when the final synthesis created, the workshop ends. We can add artifacts, which are elements that are created like data created in a task. I'm creating here an artifacts representing the evaluation maps. So, and I can connect these artifacts between different activities or tasks so that the evaluation maps are produced by a task, and they will be the input for the next task.